A prominent leaker has revealed that data centers will consume even more memory supply next year, and Apple may look to China for help for its RAM stocks. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Ming-Chi Kuo posted on X that the memory capacity allocated to consumer electronics in 2026, an estimated 15 to 20%, is expected to shift to data centers in 2027. This is part of a picture that Kuo paints, where Apple is not just worried about the cost of memory, but more specifically, the lack of memory supply as well, Kuo says. In order to keep enough supply flowing, Tim Cook is trying to persuade the US government to allow Apple to use RAM made by the Chinese chip manufacturing giant CXMT. In short, this isn't about pricing, but about managing DRAM supply risk to cater whatever future shipment targets Apple has for its products. Whether Macs, iPhones, iPads, or anything else, Apple is apparently trying to handle the impact on its products after its recent price hikes, and Kuo thinks Tim Cook is very much the CEO for the job. He said, "Tim Cook is one of the few tech leaders who can still navigate both Washington and Beijing, so this is better handled before he steps down as CEO. It's a complicated situation to navigate, of course, but Kuo also suggests this could be about Apple wanting to be seen to do something." Cook may fully realize that CXMT may not be the knight in shining armor coming to Apple's rescue, but even if it isn't, at least he's been seen making efforts to tackle the situation. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.